Welcome to our biology channel. Discover the amazing world of life through realistic 3D animations and exciting science lessons. Let's explore biology together.
Every living organism is made of cells. Cells grow, repair damage, and reproduce through a process called mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division. One parent cell divides to form two genetically identical daughter cells. The first stage is interphase. The cell grows, carries out normal activities, and copies its DNA to pair for division.
In prophase, chromosomes become visible. The nuclear membrane disappears, and spindle fibers begin to form.
In metaphase, spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes and arrange them in a single line at the center of the cell.
In anaphase, sister chromatids separate and are pulled toward opposite ends of the cell. In telophase, chromosomes reach the poles. Two new nuclei form, and the chromosomes become thin again.
Finally, cytokinesis divides the cell into two identical daughter cells. Mitosis is essential for growth, repairing damaged tissues, and replacing old cells.
Let's review. Mitosis occurs in 6 stages: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. It produces two genetically identical daughter cells and helps in growth, tissue repair, and replacing worn-out cells.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this biology lesson, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing Class 9 biology videos. See you in the next lesson.